What is up, guys? It's Fix and Faming here, and today we're doing a screen replacement on this rare iOS iPhone 5. So yeah, guys, I bought this iPhone 5 off of Macari for $40. It is a iOS 7.1.1 iPhone 5, and it is a 64 gigabyte version, which is pretty awesome. I thought $40 was a good enough price, especially for this rare of a phone. So, yep, I'm super happy about it. I also got the original box with it too. So, this needs a screen replacement. I have my new screen right here. Now, the housing is pretty beat up, but it's not terrible. So, I'm gonna keep probably the housing on so I have the original IMEI. Because if I switch the housings, then the IMEI on the back will not match the box. So, let's go ahead and let's get started. First, we have to power off the device. There we go. And then we're gonna go ahead and take off these two penelope screws on the bottom. There we go. I'm gonna go ahead and use my suction cup to pull the screen up. Oh, I just cracked the screen more. All right, now that that's up, we can go ahead and use a normal pick and just pry it up. There we go. Now we have the screen up. The phone looks pretty much brand new on the inside, which is good. It means no one has taken it apart before us. Now we're gonna go ahead and unscrew the battery. There we go, and disconnect the battery. All right, there we go. Battery's unplugged. Now we're gonna go ahead and unplug the screen plate. There we go. Screen plate is off. Now we can go ahead and unplug the screen. There we go. We have our old screen off. I will be saving this and putting it to the side because it still works perfectly and it's a good test screen. Now we have our new OEM screen. I pulled this from another device that was locked. So we have at least an original screen back on this one. So let's go ahead and clean up this back. I'm gonna go ahead and get some of this gunk away from the frame. There we go. Got the gunk off the frame. Now let's go ahead and plug in the new screen. There we go. Plug in the battery and let's turn it on. All right, it is now turned on. Screen seems to be working. Let's go ahead and do a quick test. Perfect. Let's go ahead and test the home button. Yep, home button works. Let's go ahead and test the front camera. Yep, front camera is working. Cool. Normally on a new screen, you would have to transfer over the old parts to the new screen. But since this was a original screen from another phone, I didn't need to transfer any of the parts. So that just made the job much easier. All right, let's go ahead. Let's shut this off and let's finish this up. All right, we're gonna go ahead and put the screen plate back on. Remember to keep your screws organized because some screws are longer than others, and if you put too long of a screw into one of the smaller holes, then you will mess up your phone. All right, there we go. Now we have all the brackets on. Let's go ahead and give it a quick wipe down. Get all the fingerprints we can out of it. There we go. And let's go ahead and close it up. All right, everything seems pretty snug. Let's go ahead and turn it on and put the bottom screws back in. There we go, the bottom screws are back in, and the phone is fully functional. We are finished. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe if you're new. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.